how to fix Messenger app not working or crashing. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can fix the Messenger app not working. For this, open the Messenger app on your device. Now let's say it's not working while you are still on the app. So for this, you can just close the Messenger app completely like this. The next thing you can do is go to settings on your device. Here, scroll down and tap on general right here. And tap on iPhone storage. Now here, scroll down and tap on Messenger right here. Now just tap on offload app right here. Tap on offload app. This might help. Now once you tap on the offload app, tap on reinstall app again. I'll wait for a few minutes. In this way, the Messenger app might work again. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Messenger app not working or crashing. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.